Friends, I welcome you all in the channel 3 Hours Education. Friends, today we are doing India Map Series Part 5 for class 12. In previous 4 series of India Map, we have done several maps. In continuation, we'll do some more maps which are very important from examination point of view. Friends, today we are going to do major coal mines in the map of India for location and labeling. I repeat, for location and labeling. Okay friends, so first important mine which we are going to locate in the map is Bokaro. You see the map of India here. In this map of India, we have Bokaro in Jharkhand. Jharkhand is a state adjacent to West Bengal, and here we have three important mines. Jharkhand, in Jharkhand state, we have Bokaro mine and Jharia mine. And Raniganj coal mine is very close to these two mines, but its location is in West Bengal. Now we'll try to do this. This is our West Bengal and this is our Jharkhand. We know that. So here in Jharkhand we have Bokaro coal mine. Very close to Bokaro we have this mine, Jharia mine, and when we cross the border of West Bengal, here we have Raniganj mine. So we'll do the labeling now. This is, suppose your A part, Bokaro, first one. Okay, Bokaro coal mine, and as we have done, another coal mine we have in Jharkhand, that is Jharia coal mine. So this mine, suppose this is our B part, we'll write Jharia. And the third mine which is located in West Bengal, when you cross the border, you are moving from west to east, Bokaro, Jharia and then Raniganj. Suppose this is your C part, this is your Raniganj. Okay. So we have three coal mines located very close to each other. So what we have done here in the map, we have done the location and then we have done the labeling. These two are very important to get full marks in the examination. As we are always discussing, if we want to get full marks, this is very easy to remember. We need to locate the places, we need to label the places. Okay, and third important coal mine which is going to come in the exam is Neyveli coal mine. It is located in Tamil Nadu state, which is famous for lignite coal, my dear friends. You see in the map, we have Tamil Nadu state, and here in Tamil Nadu state, we have Neyveli coal mine. Neyveli. In our question, this is D part. Neyveli coal mine is a famous lignite coal mine of India. In MCQ also you will get this question, lignite coal mine. And on the basis of this lignite coal mine, we have set up here a thermal power plant also. So these four important coal mines are going to come in our exam. Friends, now we'll do the next map, software technology parks or centers in India. Major software technology parks or centers in India. Okay, so this is the list which is going to come in the exam. Srinagar, Mohali, Noida, Gandhinagar, Indore, Hyderabad and Bengaluru. So friends, look at the map of India. This is your map of India and here we have Srinagar. Okay, Srinagar, the capital of Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory. Earlier it was a state, but now it is a union territory. So we'll start from north and we'll move towards south. It would be easy for you people to remember the locations. Okay, so first of all, this is your Srinagar in the northernmost region of India as far as these 7 centers are concerned. This is your Srinagar. Okay friends, so I'll write here Srinagar, location as well as labeling, both we are doing. Okay. And then next is Mohali. Mohali is very close to Chandigarh in Punjab. We are moving further south on the border of Punjab. We have this Mohali. You see the map of India. This is your Punjab and here you have Mohali. Okay. So B part is your Mohali. Next important software technology park in the map is going to come is Noida. Noida is located in Uttar Pradesh. You look at the map of Uttar Pradesh, very close to Delhi. In the east of Delhi, southeast of Delhi, we have Noida here. This is your Noida. Okay, very close to Delhi. So we are locating and labeling Noida here in the map. Okay, friends, now you see next software technology center which is going to come in exam is Gandhinagar. It is located in Gujarat. You look at the map of India again. This is your Gujarat. In Gujarat, this is your Gandhinagar, capital city of Gujarat, Gandhinagar. So this is your Gandhinagar, capital city of Gujarat. D part, Gandhinagar. Okay, friends. Okay. So next is Indore. In the map of India, you look at this region Madhya Pradesh. This is the state of Madhya Pradesh in the center of India, in the Madhya of India. Very easy to remember its location. In the western part, we have Indore here. You look at this, Indore. And here we are writing Indore. This is your E part, Indore. Okay. So what we are doing here, one by one from north towards south, we are moving and we are locating and labeling all the major software technology parks or centers in India. Next is Hyderabad. We know Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana state. You look at the region Telangana and this is your Hyderabad. Okay. We all know Telangana was a part of Andhra Pradesh. And initially it was decided that Hyderabad will be the common capital for Telangana and Andhra Pradesh for 10 years. But now Amravati is the proposed capital for Andhra Pradesh. So Telangana state is having your Hyderabad. Okay. Hyderabad. Next important software technology centers. Now Bengaluru, electronic capital of India. You all know Silicon Valley of India. Look at the map of India. In Karnataka state, in southern region, we have Bengaluru state, Bengaluru city. Okay. And this is your next, suppose this is your A part, B part, C, D, E, F. So G is Bengaluru. Okay. Always remember, it's very easy to learn the location. Just for your convenience, I am telling you, here we have Chennai, and if you draw a straight line, almost parallel, not exactly parallel, but almost parallel to equator. So this is Chennai, this is Bangalore. In this manner, you can easily learn its location. Okay, so this is your Bengaluru. Okay, so Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory, Mohali in Punjab, Noida in western Uttar Pradesh, Gandhinagar, capital city of Gujarat, Indore in western Madhya Pradesh, Hyderabad, capital of Telangana, and Bengaluru, capital city of Karnataka state. All these are important software technology parks which are going to come in the exam for location and labeling. So friends, subscribe the channel if you have not done so. 3 hours education on regular basis. We are bringing videos for you people. Like, share and comment in the comment box. If you like the video, if you share this video with your friends, and if you comment, I'll get some appreciation, and I'll feel better. And your friends also, if you share this video with your friends, they will also be benefited. Okay, so remaining maps we'll do in the next video. This was part 5. So keep waiting for part 6. Very soon we'll be uploading part 6 also. Thank you friends. Thank you very much. Stay fit and fine. Keep yourself well and remain healthy. Thank you so much. God bless you all.